Conjunctions. Hello children, in this lesson, we will learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two words or sentences together. There are many conjunctions, but today we will learn about and, but, or, and because. Let us look at some examples. Barkha likes apples. Barkha likes oranges. We can rewrite this as Barkha likes apples and oranges. We use and to join words and sentences that have similar ideas. Let us look at another example. Would you like a cat for a pet? Would you like a dog for a pet? Would you like a cat or a dog for a pet? We use the word or to show a choice between two or more things. Yuki did not practice. He scored good marks. Yuki did not practice, but he scored good marks. We use the word but to join sentences that show opposite ideas. Here is another example. I went to bed early. I was sick. I went to bed early because I was sick. We use the word because to show cause and reason. The words and, or, but, and because are conjunctions. They help us in joining two or more sentences. Now let us practice what we have learned. Choose the correct option and fill in the blank. I went to school, blank, met my friends. The answer is and. Did you get it right? Let us try another one. I did not eat the dish, blank, it was spicy. The answer is because. Let us try one more. Kareem wants to go to the fair, blank, his mother won't allow him to go. The answer is but. Okay, last one. Derek will leave for Goa on Monday, blank, Tuesday. The answer is or. That is all about conjunctions for now. I will see you again soon with more practice exercises.